I'll help you plus with plus something. I'll help you with makeup. I'll help you with baking. I'll help you with sewing. I'll help you with stress. I'll help you with writing. I'll help you with drawing. I'll help you with dancing. I'll help you with reading. I'll help you with packing. I'll help you with fitness. I'll help you with packing. I'll help you with fitness. I'll help you with laundry. I'll help you with studies. I'll help you with savings. I'll help you with singing. I'll help you with finances. I'll help you with computer. I'll help you with crafting. I'll help you with English. I'll help you with speaking. I'll help you with painting. I'll help you with knitting. I'll help you with knitting. I'll help you with your diet. I'll help you with your math. I'll help you with your bills. I'll help you with your email. I'll help you with your goals. I'll help you with your taxes. I'll help you with your needs. I'll help you with your tasks. I'll help you with your photos. I'll help you with your career. I'll help you with your budget. I'll help you with your dreams. I'll help you with your garden. I'll help you with homework. I'll help you with schedule. I'll help you with problems. I'll help you with problems. I'll help you with projects. I'll help you with learning. I'll help you with parenting. I'll help you with conflicts. I'll help you with nutrition. I'll help you with listening. I'll help you with decisions. I'll help you with gardening. I'll help you with insurance. I'll help you with medication. I'll help you with confidence. I'll help you with confidence. I'll help you with creativity. I'll help you with job search. I'll help you with self-esteem. I'll help you with your children. I'll help you with investments. I'll help you with your interview. I'll help you with home repairs. I'll help you with travel plans. I'll help you with organization. I'll help you with pronunciation. I'll help you with cooking skills. I'll help you with relationships. I'll help you with cooking skills. I'll help you with relationships. I'll help you with the questions. I'll help you with your addiction. I'll help you with communication. I'll help you with responsibilities. I'll help you with your challenges. I'll help you with cleaning routine. I'll help you with cooking dinner. I'll help you with family problems. I'll help you with time management. I'll help you with your car maintenance. I'll help you with your doctor's appointments. I'll help you with your doctor's appointments.